Hey, hi, hello, welcome back to my new video. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Samfx YouTube channel, and this is Poco Xc custom ROM reviews. It's a Derpfest, as you can see, version 13. The platform OS. I'm in the Derpfest version is 13. Official Tango Surya. You can see 3rd 15. March 15th build is this. February 5 2023 is the security patch. I don't know when this custom ROMs will bring March security patch. It's already 3rd week of March is running. Kernel user is 4.14.307 derp kernel has been used, and I have been running the CPU throttling test from last 15 minutes and 1 milliseconds. You can see this is the 100 thread test, guys, and maximum is 186, average is 180, minimum is 144, and it's throttled to 84% of its max performance. You can see the graph, it's completely green, only in between there was a little bit of yellow lines. It's excellent ROM available for Poco Xc, not just this app review. I will be explaining within a while, but you have one shortcoming in this ROM. Let's see everything in detail in the ROM. Stay tuned till the end of the video to know what is that shortcoming. Is it a great ROM or not? Let's see. And starting with the home screen, here you can see this is typical home screen you get on this Poco Xc after installing this. Flashing this Derpfest ROM. If you press and hold here, you get home settings. You get lot more customization here. Hidden and protected apps, you can add them, and other settings you can see on the screen. Again, you will get widgets. As I mentioned, you get this kind of one-handed mode is also working fine. That's how it is. And dialer, you get a proper Google dialer here. Let me increase a little bit of volume. Even volume panel smoothness is also very good. I really like this kind of smoothness in any custom ROM. That's possible with this ROM. Direct video call feature is available. Let's make a call. You get call recording feature also, but it will announce the other person that you are recording the call. And now camera application is a little bit disappointed. You get just simple camera here. You get these kind of options. Video is also present here. For simple actions it's fine, but if you are a advanced user, you need something like that, you can use AGC camera, as I mentioned in the previous video. If you want to use even Arno build Gcam also, you can use that. Links to those things are given in my Telegram channel. Follow me in the Telegram and you'll get this configs here. I already said this in every video, I won't tell about this. If you want a camera, use this AGC or Arno build Gcam. If you want to use any other Gcam ports also, that's possible with Poco Xc. There are a lot more Gcam ports are also available. My favorites are these two. And Dynex camera, if it is okay, then it's fine. Like a camera with root, is it possible? Then you can try it out with your own. Now other things like Antutu benchmark, you can also judge the app opening time here. It's very quick in my opinion. 3,56,474 is the scores, and temperature raise was 0.7 degrees Celsius, and battery drop is 3% during this entire testing, which is fine here. The thermals are very good in this particular ROM. Now safety net status, will it get passed? Let's see. It will get passed. You can use it as a daily driver like Google Pay, Phone Pay, whatever you want to use, those going to work fine. DRM information, is it level 1? Yes, it's level 1. You can watch all the OTT application in OTT application in high definition resolution. What about Geekbench scores? Let's see. Again, app opening time is pretty quick here. Single score is 525 and multi score is 1502, and Linux 4.14.307 derp kernel, and it's an Android 13 build. After a long time I'm using Android 13, that to this derpness, Derpfest ROM, it's very smooth in my opinion. The user interface is very smooth and responsive. I haven't faced any issues as of now. As you can see, these are all the recent apps. You can take the screenshot from here and you can clear all. That's it. No text selecting option. It's very smooth in my opinion. Now moving into settings, again you get a typical Google Pixel experience kind of settings panel. Little bit spacing has been done. Now here Derpfest, you get battery settings. You can choose the style from here, and percentage you can enable or disable. And clock and date settings, it will reboot sometimes. The system will reboots. Okay. Background chip, system items, status bar items, you can enable or disable. Again, traffic indicators are given. Miscellaneous, again logo, you can choose the position them, and style also there are a lot more has been given. You can enable or disable some of the other settings as you can see on the screen. If you swipe like this, you get notifications customization, and again quick settings customization. As I said before, battery style, battery percentage, battery estimation also you can enable from here if you want that. Show squeakle animation, again this is a music related quick settings toggle. If you want, you can enable that. Show QS footer text and QS footer warnings, animation style, duration, tile animation, interpolator. Again, you can choose some of them. Presets are been given. Vibrate on touch, I can enable or disable. Again, if you swipe here, you get lock screen. You will lock screen shortcuts. You can get left and right shortcuts, and these formats you can customize them. Media art cover is also given. Ambient always display given. General settings, you get this zoom effect and P animation style customization. Again, US style, you get advanced monet customization. You get headline, body font, you can change them. Icons also, you can change Wi-Fi icon, and again signal icon, and even icon shape you can customize from. Yeah, this is all the typical customization. What is missing here is the unlimited Google photo storage option is missing, but it is available in Google Photos directly. That option is enabled, but you won't get any toggle. Even to unlock high FPS count, the toggle is missing. That's the thing here missing. Again, notifications, you get all the options here. Ignore DND options has been given. Less boring, force stop button, head stop, toast tap icon, other settings you can see on the screen. Now battery and battery life, thermal profiles has been given. Per app you can choose the thermals. As you can see, you can keep it default or change them. Battery usage has recorded here. You can see I haven't tried charging the smartphone. First I will show that. That's the one thing which is missing in this particular ROM, that is the fast charging support. As you can see, at first I said I tested this charging slowly. Okay, after some time will it increase? No, it shows again charging slowly, full in 2 hours. Again I tried taking screenshot after certain minutes. Again it is showing charging slowly only. Hence the fast charging support is not available in this ROM. Don't comment simply just watching the thumbnail and title of the video. Watch entire video and then comment, is it the fast charging supported or not? I said in the video, but you are commenting in the comment section. By the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit that subscribe button down below, and also allow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like guys. We'll get motivated to make similar kind of videos in my channel. You can see here it's 18 hours left, which is quite interesting. This ROM is actually, I was trying some other ROMs, but unfortunately I flashed this ROM. I am really happy that this Derpfest OS is so much improved, and Android 13 ROMs are getting very much improved, and one among them is the Derpfest OS for Poco X3, at least what I can want to say. Now coming back here, battery saver options has been given. As you can see, extreme battery saver is also given. Some of the other options, reduce refresh rate, turn off when charged 90%, also you can enable, and kill background process, sleep mode, battery temperature also you can see from here. Now moving into sound and vibration, again you get plenty of options here. You can choose noisy notifications, you can enable or disable, and some of the other settings you can see on the screen. Direct sound enhancer has been given. You can enable or disable those options. Clear speaker options is also given. Now moving into display, again you get options regarding that, and dark theme you can see here. You guys can see here there is a pure black condition has been given. I mean, once you turn on the dark theme, you need to turn on this pure black, then only it will be in pitch black condition, which I really like it. As you can see, if you don't enable that, it will be like gray or anything like that. It depends upon you. I don't think so anyone uses without that. Let me know in the comment section how you use the dark theme. And colors, again you get plenty of options, natural, boosted, adaptive, and refresh rate. It will show here 0 Hz, but if you touch that, you will get minimum, maximum, and preferred refresh rate. All are kept to 120. Keep the same. And prevent accidental wake, tap to sleep, and tap to wake is actually working. As you can see, both the things are working very fine here. I really liked it. In many of the ROMs they will tell, but it will work only on the QS panel, but not in this ROM. It will be working in entire screen. Desktop mode and other app refresh rate, ambient display, I already explained about ambient display. And wallpapers and style, you won't get any pre-installed wallpapers. You only Derpfest bird wallpapers you will get. Wallpaper colors you can customize from here, and the combination of the colors of the basic colors. This is the Android 13 visual change. You can observe one in this thing, and even this quick settings panel. Other than that, you won't find anything. And one more thing interesting was the auto brightness toggle. At least they gave here in the toggle. If they are not going to give in the slider, at least in the toggle they are giving. I really liked that. In the edit section also you get plenty of options. If you want, you can enable them by dragging it towards the QS panel. Themed icons are also given, and dark theme, as I already said, it's working fine. App grid, it's available from 2x2 to up to 6x6 is available, the grid size. System fonts also you will get some of the options. Again, other things I already explained. Security, you get face and fingerprint unlock, and you'll get some options here. Auto reboot and app lock is pre-installed, and disable fingerprint lockout for 30 seconds. Those options are also included, which is very good in my opinion. And you can even restrict the USB plugin also, and more security settings. You get nothing here. ROM is encrypted by default. Panic settings are also given. It will revert back to some browser, and that I don't think so. Don't use that. But other uses like restrict USB and auto reboot, those disable fingerprint lockout for 30 seconds will make a difference. You should definitely try them. Let me show you the fingerprint unlock first and then the face unlock. As you can see, it's very quick, and you still get that wobbling effect of Android 13. Now the face unlock, as you can see, will it work? No, the face unlock is a little bit difficult for me to show. That's it. It will be fast only. Okay, it's not recognized. Sometimes you need to add multiple face accounts, then it will be, I mean the samples, then it will be fine. It's not a problem in this ROM. That's how guys, in this ROM, and everything is working fine. The settings, I will show you. One more important thing is that system, if you go into buttons, you get these kind of customization. Some are missing in the actual Derpfest, they added here. And gestures, if you go into system navigation again, into the gesture navigation, you will get a lot more customization. The two important things are gesture bar length, which is available. Gesture radius is also available. How differentiated, as you can see, that pill from the entire screen, that is really required for me. At least if you people don't use, I don't know, let me know in the comment section about that also. This is how the Derpfest OS. It's very smooth. If you are using any Derpfest OS Android 12 base, and if you are worried to upgrade over Android 13, go ahead and upgrade it out. It's my assurance. It's very good. It's really good. This particular ROM is very good. Now Android 13 ROMs are getting very good enough to use it as a daily driver. Let's see PUBG Mobile new state, how it handles, and what all the graphic settings we get. You guys can see here the graphics is set to smooth, the light and 90 fps. As you can see, that options are been enabled here. It is smooth actually. The game is also updated now. This is a Lagna map, which is a little bit newer in PUBG new state. Now in the custom ROMs also, many of the ROMs I am seeing the PUBG new state can be playable now in the custom ROMs too. And this is the example. This is a Derpfest OS. And QoS panel you can toggle from here, and volume, let me increase. Okay. And by the way, which games you are still playing? Is it still BGMI you are waiting for? Will it come back? Let me know in the comment section about that too, because I also don't know. If you have any news, will be updated through my channel at least. Will it come back, or Apex Legends, what kind of game you really play on Poco X, or some other casual games? Let me know that too, whichever game you need to play on Poco X. Let's jump to Valley again. Now Valley I already seen. Let's jump here the bridge. I haven't seen that. And the gameplay is really good here. New state, the game I am saying, and you can also see the real-time FPS count here. It is showing 89 FPS. That's why I am saying this is a very good ROM available for Poco X3. Once you flash this ROM, you will definitely come to understand what I am saying. Previously I shown the Elite ROM. That was not the case here, the FPS. And let's jump here. It is stable, giving 90 FPS. You can see on the screen. It's a little bit of laggy, hence the FPS is also gone down to 47. You can see on the screen again. Let's see, will it come back? Yes, it's coming back. 72, 83, now 86. Okay, while landing it was a little bit lower. After that it is fine actually, the FPS count. There is a lag here and there. As you can see, frames are skipping. It got to 2 FPS even. I think so it's a game problem. It's new update arrived. Maybe it needs some more improvements. Let's see. And that's all guys. In this video I want to show you this experience of the UI is very smooth and responsive here. Just that battery charging speeds are a little bit lower. I mean, it is not showing charging rapidly. I mean, the fast charging is not supported. Overall, it's a very good ROM if you want to use it as a daily driver, and if you're looking for Derpfest kind of operating system in the custom ROM, then you can go and have this custom ROM. We'll meet you with another interesting video, and if you're still not subscribe it and like the video and join my live streams. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.